Hey guys, nice to see you again. Let's start drawing. In this video, I will tell you the most practical trick to draw hands. Trust me, it will be super easy to understand and follow. I use a free drawing app called Sketchbook. Its felt tip pen is a good brush to draw outlines. We should stop thinking about the head as a flat 2D image and to instead imagine it as an actual 3D object that can be turned in space and looked at from any angle. We should use a sphere instead of a circle as a foundation to build the rest of the head off of. First, we need to divide the sphere into quadrants by wrapping a set of guidelines around its surface on each axis. The two vertical guidelines running from the top of the sphere to the bottom define the front of the face and the set of the head. The horizontal line wrapping around the equator of the sphere represents the broad line of the face. The broad line is important because it helps us to figure out if we were looking at the head from above or below, based on the direction of its curve. If you search how to draw hands, the result will talk a lot about hands' proportions, structure, and angles, then tell you how to draw hand in its most basic gesture. Even though you learned how to draw it in that particular gesture, the next day, when you need your hands to pose in another gesture, you get lost again. Hands are very difficult to draw. It's not only because the amount of bones, muscle, and tendons in each of the hands, but also due to its countless gestures. So what should we do about this? The trick is to use your own hands to pose in the gesture that you want to draw, and use your phone's front camera to adjust the gesture a bit to make it look good. Then take a photo of it. Once you get a photo, you may need to stretch the photo to make the finger appear a little bit longer than the palm. You can trace the photo to get a basic outline of the hands, then modify on top of it. Our goal is to make the anime boy's hand attractive. Women like large and strong hands, so we need to draw his hands bigger than real life, and his finger needs to look long and lean. I do not have time to talk about other stuff in this video anymore, but you can always check out the step-by-step tutorials in the description. There are 3 levels: beginners, intermediate, and advanced. One of them will fit your needs. Enjoy! If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.